Hello everyone, I am Chavi and you are tuned into the 510th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with an insightful update from the Free Press Journal. BALIC's new 5500 multi-factor 50 index ULIP might be just what you have been waiting for. Launched on July 1, this plan offers you a first mover advantage with a NAV of just Rs 10 available only until July 14, 2025. What sets it apart? It is powered by a proven multi-factor strategy that blends momentum, quality, value, and low volatility, helping you grow your wealth while managing risk. The ULIP combines insurance protection with market linked growth, tax benefits, and fully digital, mobile first experience. Ideal for young professionals and first time investors, it is designed to take the complexity out of investing. So, whether you are planning for a long term goals or just starting your financial journey, this could be your moment to step in confidently with a trusted, future ready plan that works as hard as you do. Up next, we bring you a significant development reported by Outlook Money. In a world where health uncertainties are rising, insurance stands as a quiet yet powerful force of resilience. With cancer cases rising in India, proactive protection is no longer optional, it is essential. This is where insurance shines. A comprehensive health plan becomes your frontline defense, covering hospital stays and vital treatments like chemotherapy. Add on covers like OPD riders and cancer specific insurance provide crucial support beyond hospital walls, helping manage tests, consultations, and even lost income. Critical illness policies act as a financial shock absorbers, offering lump sums when life throws its hardest challenge. It is not just about treatment, it is about dignity, stability, and peace of mind. By layering your health protection with comprehensive and focused covers, insurance becomes more than just paperwork, it becomes a powerful promise of care, confidence, and continuity. In uncertain times, it is your most reliable partner. Our next story features in Dogra Herald. In a region where agriculture is more than a livelihood, it is a legacy. Crop insurance emerges as a silent guardian of farmers' dreams. The ninth Crop Insurance Week campaign, launched in Jammu under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or PMFBY, reinforces this truth. This initiative is not just an awareness drive, it is a commitment to empower every farmer with financial security. Whether it is unpredictable weather or pest attacks, insurance shields crops and income alike, allowing farmers to sow and grow with confidence. By actively involving field officers, insurance providers, and banking partners, this campaign strengthens the very roots of rural resilience. With tools like mobile awareness, bans, and helplines, the message is clear: no farmer should be left behind. When insurance steps in, uncertainty steps aside. It is not just support, it is empowerment. Our final story today comes from the Economic Times. When life throws a medical curveball, insurance steps up as your financial shield, and when used strategically, it can do even more. With rising treatment costs, many now rely on multiple health insurance policies, corporate plans, financial floaters, and personal covers to protect against high hospital bills. Here is the good news: you can split claims across policies to maximize your benefits. Start with your corporate policy since it often has no sublimits or waiting periods, then tap into your floater and personal plans. This way, you preserve bonuses and avoid premiums hikes on personal covers. Tools like Form 64 streamline the claims across insurers, making the process smoother than you did expect. Want to go a step further? Add top-up or super top-up plans for large unexpected costs. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you a more such insurance update. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week.